Welcome to WealthWise, your guide to personal finance and building wealth. In today's video, we'll be discussing a topic that affects millions of people across the country: student loan debt. With the rising cost of education, more and more people are taking on student loan debt to pay for college. But with this debt comes a host of challenges and questions. In this video, we'll be providing you with the information you need to navigate student loan debt and make the best decisions for your financial future. Chapter 1: Understanding the different types of student loans. The first step in navigating student loan debt is understanding the different types of student loans available. There are federal student loans, such as Stafford and Perkins loans, and private student loans, which are offered by banks and other financial institutions. Federal student loans have fixed interest rates and offer flexible repayment options, such as income-driven repayment plans. Private student loans, on the other hand, have variable interest rates and may not offer the same flexibility in repayment. Another important distinction to understand is the difference between subsidized and unsubsidized loans. Subsidized loans are based on financial need, and the government pays the interest on the loan while you're in school. Unsubsidized loans, on the other hand, accrue interest while you're in school and the borrower is responsible for paying the interest. It's important to understand the terms and conditions of your student loans in order to make the best decisions for your financial future. Chapter 2: The true cost of student loan debt. When it comes to student loan debt, it's important to understand the long-term financial impact. The total amount of interest that will be paid over the life of the loan can add up to thousands of dollars. Additionally, student loan debt can have an opportunity cost, such as the impact on the ability to save for retirement or make other investments. One way to understand the true cost of student loan debt is to use a loan repayment calculator. These calculators can help you understand the total cost of your loans, including interest, over the life of the loan. It can help you to compare different repayment options and identify the one that will be the most cost-effective. Another way to understand the true cost of student loan debt is to consider the long-term impact on your credit score. Missed or late payments can have a negative impact on your credit score, which can make it more difficult to borrow money in the future. This could impact your ability to buy a car, a home, or even get a job. It's also important to consider the opportunity cost of student loan debt. The money that you are using to pay off student loans could be used to invest in other areas, such as starting a business, buying a home, or saving for retirement. It is important to weigh the benefits of education against the long-term cost of student loan debt. The true cost of student loan debt can be significant, but by understanding the total cost and the long-term impact, you can make informed decisions about repayment options and forgiveness programs. It is important to have a plan in place to manage student loan debt, so that it does not negatively impact your long-term financial goals. Chapter 3: How to manage student loan payments. Managing student loan payments can be a daunting task, but there are several strategies you can use to make it more manageable. The first step is to create a budget. This will help you to understand your income and expenses and identify areas where you can cut back to allocate more money towards your student loan payments. Another important step is to prioritize your loan payments. If you have multiple loans, it may be beneficial to focus on paying off the loans with the highest interest rates first. This will save you money in the long run. It's also important to stay current on your loan payments. Missed or late payments can have a negative impact on your credit score and can lead to additional fees and penalties. If you're having trouble making your payments, consider reaching out to your loan servicer to discuss options such as income-driven repayment plans or loan consolidation. Another way to manage student loan payments is to automate the process. You can set up automatic payments through your loan servicer, so you don't have to worry about remembering to make payments each month. Finally, it's essential to stay informed about your loans. Keep track of the interest rates, repayment terms, and any changes to the loan servicer. This will help you to make informed decisions about your loan payments. Managing student loan payments can be challenging, but by creating a budget, prioritizing loans, staying current on payments, automating payments, and staying informed, you can take control of your student loan debt and make it more manageable. Chapter 4: Repayment options and forgiveness programs. When it comes to repaying student loan debt, there are several options available. One popular option is income-driven repayment plans. These plans base your monthly loan payments on your income and family size, making them more affordable for those with lower incomes. Some popular income-driven repayment plans include income-based repayment, IBR, pay-as-you-earn, pay, and revised pay-as-you-earn, repay. Another option to consider is loan consolidation. This process combines multiple student loans into one new loan with a single monthly payment. This can make the repayment process more manageable, but it's important to note that consolidation can also extend the loan repayment period and increase the total amount of interest paid over the life of the loan. For some borrowers, loan forgiveness programs may be an option. These programs forgive all or a portion of the remaining loan balance after the borrower has made a certain number of payments or met certain qualifications. Some popular loan forgiveness programs include Public Service Loan Forgiveness, PSLF, and Teacher Loan Forgiveness. It's important to note that these options may have specific qualifications and requirements, so it's important to research and understand the terms of each program before applying. It's also important to keep in mind that loan forgiveness programs have a limited funding, so it's important to apply as early as possible. Repaying student loan debt can be challenging, but by exploring repayment options and forgiveness programs, you can find the solution that works best for your financial situation. It's important to research and understand the terms of each program and consult with your loan servicer to determine which option is best for you. Chapter 5: Strategies for Paying Off Student Loan Debt Faster. While it may be difficult to pay off student loan debt, there are several strategies that can help you pay it off faster. One of the most effective ways to do this is to make extra payments. By paying more than the minimum required payment each month, you can reduce the overall amount of interest paid and pay off the loan faster. Another strategy is to refinance your loans. Refinancing involves taking out a new loan to pay off existing loans with a lower interest rate. This can save you money on interest over the life of the loan and help you pay off the debt faster. You can also consider using windfalls of cash, such as tax refunds, bonuses, or inheritances to make extra payments on your student loans. Another way to pay off student loan debt faster is to increase your income. This can be done by taking on a part-time job or gig work, or even starting a side business. Finally, it's essential to have a plan in place to manage your student loan debt, so it doesn't negatively impact your long-term financial goals. This includes creating a budget and sticking to it, prioritizing loans, and staying current on payments. While paying off student loan debt can be challenging, by making extra payments, refinancing loans, using windfalls of cash, increasing your income, and having a plan in place, you can pay off your student loans faster and take control of your financial future. Chapter 6: The Impact of Student Loan Debt on Credit Scores. Student loan debt can have a significant impact on your credit score. Late or missed payments can have a negative impact on your credit score, which can make it more difficult to borrow money in the future. This could impact your ability to buy a car, a home, or even get a job. Additionally, defaulting on your student loans can have severe consequences. Your credit score will be significantly impacted, and it can be difficult to rebuild it. Defaulting on your student loans can also lead to wage garnishment and the seizure of federal and state income tax refunds. Consolidating your student loans can also impact your credit score. While consolidation can make the repayment process more manageable, it can also extend the loan repayment period and increase the total amount of interest paid over the life of the loan. This can result in a slightly lower credit score, but it's important to weigh the benefits of consolidation against the potential impact on your credit score. However, having a plan in place to manage your student loan debt, making timely payments and keeping your balances low can have a positive impact on your credit score over time. It's important to keep an eye on your credit score while managing your student loan debt, and to address any potential issues as soon as possible. By staying current on payments, consolidating loans, and having a plan in place to manage your student loan debt, you can minimize the impact on your credit score and maintain good credit. Chapter 7: How to Budget and Save Money While Paying Off Student Loans. Paying off student loans can be a significant financial burden, but by creating a budget and saving money, you can make the process more manageable. The first step in budgeting and saving money while paying off student loans is to create a budget. This will help you understand your income and expenses and identify areas where you can cut back to allocate more money towards your student loan payments. Consider creating a budget that includes fixed expenses, such as rent and utilities, as well as variable expenses, such as groceries and entertainment. Another way to save money while paying off student loans is to decrease expenses. This can be done by cutting back on luxury items and subscriptions, looking for deals and discounts, and finding ways to increase income. One way to increase income is to take on a part-time job or gig work, or even starting a side business. This can help you to earn extra money to put towards your student loan payments. Saving money can also be accomplished by creating an emergency fund. It's important to have a safety net to fall back on in case of unexpected expenses. This can help you avoid relying on credit cards or taking on additional debt to cover unexpected costs. Finally, by keeping track of your expenses, creating a budget, cutting expenses, increasing income, and having an emergency fund, you can save money while paying off student loans and take control of your financial future. Chapter 8: Conclusion. In this video, we've discussed the challenges and questions associated with student loan debt. We've covered the different types of student loans, the true cost of student loan debt, how to manage student loan payments, repayment options and forgiveness programs, strategies for paying off student loan debt faster, the impact of student loan debt on credit scores, and how to budget and save money while paying off student loans. We hope that this video has provided you with the information you need to navigate student loan debt and make the best decisions for your financial future. Remember, it's important to understand the terms and conditions of your student loans, create a budget and stick to it, stay current on loan payments, explore repayment options and forgiveness programs, make extra payments, increase your income, and have an emergency fund. By following these steps, you can take control of your student loan debt and make it more manageable. Thank you for watching this video on navigating student loan debt. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos on personal finance and building wealth. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.